Hello student, today we will learn English grammar, chapter number 3, nouns. The definition of noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing is known as a noun. In Marathi you say naam to noun and in Hindi you say sangya. So here are some examples. Sunil is a good student. Now Sunil is the name of a person. So Sunil is what? A noun. Then Kashmir is a very scenic valley in the north of India. Now Kashmir is the place. It is a place. So it is a noun. Then is a very scenic valley. What it is? Valley. So valley is also a noun. And where it is? In the north of India. So north and India. These two words are also called nouns. Next is a deer can run very fast. Now deer, it is the name of an animal. It is a name of an animal. So it is a noun. Next is Ajanta and Ellora are Asian caves in Maharashtra. Now Ajanta, it is a name of a place. Then Ellora, it is also a name of a place. Are Asian caves. What are they? Caves means what? Gufa. In Hindi we say Gufa. So this is also a noun. And where it is, in which state it is? So it is in Maharashtra state. So this Maharashtra also is a noun. Now we'll learn kinds of noun. Nouns can be classified as follow. First is proper noun. It is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now example of proper noun. Person. Newton, Michael, Anish, Sunita, etc. So this is showing the particular name of a person. So these are proper noun. Then is place. Mumbai, Dadar, Australia, Spain, etc. So this indicates, it tells us the particular name of a place. Then is animal. Moti the dog, Bholu the parrot, Tom the cat, Jerry the mouse, etc. All these are telling the particular name of a animal. So these are proper noun. Thing. Parker pen, classmate pencil, Camlin box, Vadilal ice cream, etc. These all tell us the particular name of a thing. So these are also a proper noun. Now common noun. It is the name given to all persons, places or things of the same kind or class. Here are some examples of common noun. Person, man, singer, professor, doctor, servant, guard, etc. If such types of words come in a sentence, so we will be able to make out this is a common noun. Then is places, country, village, lake, city, state, district, mountain, etc. If such type of word come in a sentence, so these are what? Common noun. Then is animal, dog, zebra, bear, fox, goat. If such type of word come in a sentence, so we will be able to make out this is a common noun. And the last is things, boat, tree, book, toy, key, table, bag, chalk, phone. If such words come in a sentence, so we should know this is what? Common noun. Now the third one is the collective noun. Collective noun, it is the name given to a group or collection of persons, animals or things taken together. So whatever names are coming in a group of person, animals or things, it is called collective noun. So for example, person, there are many students. So what we will say? A class of students. Many soldiers are there. An army of soldiers. A crew of sailors. Then is animals. A herd of cattle. A swarm of bees. A flock of birds. Things. A library of books. A fleet of ship. A chain of hotels. So if such word come in a sentence, so it will be easy to make out this is a collective noun. Now I hereby give you the homework. You have to study the study the collective noun. There are many that you have to write in your English notebook. Study the collective noun. A flock of sheep, a team of players, a litter of puppy kitten, a pride of lion, a bouquet of flowers, a galaxy of stars, then a band or orchestra of musicians, a pack of cards, a gaggle of geese, a bunch of keys or grapes, a band oblique gang of robbers, a crowd of people, a clump of tree, a fleet of step, a wad of currency note, a school of fish, a board of directors, a bench or panel of judge, a committee of members, a carva of pilgrim, a heap of stone, a regiment of soldiers, a bundle of stick, a chain of mountain, a range of hill, a shore of singer, then a century of years, an album of photograph, a bale or stack of hay, a flock of hairs, a sheaf oblique ream of paper, a row of chair oblique seat, a poultry of kitchen, a pile of cloth, a quiver of arrow, a cluster of eggs. So this is your homework that you have to write in your notebook and send it on my mobile number. And one more instruction is there. Your up to 6th standard, all workbooks are available in the school. You can go and purchase workbook. Thank you so much for the day. Have a good day.